Driving past a stone brick framed sign that reads, Maxwell Townhomes Apartments. Golf carts parked outside some units. Driving down a tree-lined street through the complex. Combination facades of stone brick, regular brick, and sheetrock. Steps lead up to entrances at different levels, shrouded by trees. A fan blows over a room filled with treadmills and exercise equipment. A sign by Manicured Grass reads Maxwell Townhomes Apartments Putting Green. Equipment available at Leasing Center. A playground surrounded by mulch. A fenced dog park, tennis and basketball courts and partly shaded areas. A fenced pool with deep blue water, surrounded by chairs. A table with an umbrella. More tables and dual grilling stations near the pool. An entrance labeled Maxwell Townhomes with golf carts out front. Computer stations with stools in a lounge space. A snack bar at the back. A faded brick entryway and chimney side by side on the exterior of a townhome, with colorful flowers and a garden alongside. Text: Some home features optional. A fireplace is lit up in a white brick wall with a plasma TV mounted above it. Driving down a freeway. Driving under multiple overpasses and ramps. A tall sign listing shops at a plaza. Bed Bath & Beyond, REI, Ross, Old Navy, FedEx Office, AT&T, California Pizza Kitchen, and Starbucks. An Asian restaurant with tables with umbrellas outside. A multiplex with a faux radio tower. A tall red sculpture at the center of a roundabout downtown. Driving past it through an intersection. Text: Apply online at live@maxwelltownhomes.com. Or call 855-831-0354.